All right, so I got my AquaLab here. If I'm walking into my back room first thing in the morning, what am I looking at first to make sure that we're going to be all right for the day?
First thing you want to do is you want to look for any visible leaks, any damage to your equipment, whether it's the pumps or the panels. Make sure your inlet hose, your ball valve's open, you got water going to your manifold, you got your air line open up here for your air actuated valves.
Okay, and our air pressure should be set where?
Anywhere from 80 to 120, we recommend 100 PSI.
Okay, and then on our water pressure side,
That should be regular, 200 pounds, yep.
All right, so we got that verified. The water and air lines are open. We got the proper pressures. We're going to run it, I guess, first to verify the dispensing equipment's operating correctly. And then, so that's our daily checks. On a weekly check, what are we looking for?
On a weekly check, we recommend for checking your primary air regulator, your separator here, making sure just visual check to make sure there's no water in there.
Okay.
If there is, all you have to do is just slowly undo the bottom and it'll drain out the bottom of the panel. You want to check that weekly at a minimum.
Okay, so there's no air to oil or anything, just in the FRL.
Nope.
This we're just catching moisture in there.
Yep.
Okay.